When you're running a small business, picking the right CRM isn't just about finding a place to store phone numbers. It's about finding a tool that actually fits the way you work every day. Today, we're looking at two very different names, ClickUp and Capsule. One is known for project management that happens to do CRM, while the other is a dedicated relationship manager built for simplicity. We're going to dive deep into the features to see which one earns its keep on your home screen. Starting off with the basics of how you keep track of people, Capsule really leans into its identity as a smart address book. When you pull up a contact in Capsule, it gives you a clean 360-degree view of everything related to that person or organization. You get their social media profiles, full communication history, and any notes or files tucked away in one spot. It even has a handy contact enrichment feature on higher plans that automatically pulls in public data like job titles and LinkedIn profiles, which saves you a ton of manual data entry. It's built for folks who want a traditional, easy-to-read Rolodex that actually talks back to them. Now, looking at ClickUp, the approach is a bit more build it yourself. Because ClickUp isn't a dedicated CRM out of the box, you're essentially using their flexible tasks system to represent your people. You can create a contacts list and use custom fields to store phone numbers, emails, and lead scores. The benefit here is the sheer level of detail you can add. You can link a contact directly to a project task or a whiteboard brainstorm, creating a level of interconnectedness that a standard CRM just can't match. However, it doesn't have that automatic data enrichment you find in Capsule, so you'll be doing a bit more heavy lifting when you first input your leads. Moving along to how you actually track the money, Capsule handles leads and deals with a very straightforward opportunities section. Every deal has its own page where you can track the projected value, the expected close date, and the probability of winning. It's very intuitive. You just click Add Opportunity from a contact's profile and you're off to the races. For a small team, this keeps things focused. You aren't distracted by extra bells and whistles. You just see the deal, what it's worth, and what needs to happen next. On the other hand, ClickUp treats deals like highly advanced tasks. You can use their table view to create a spreadsheet-like experience for your leads, which is great for people who love data. What's really cool about ClickUp is that you can assign a lead to a specific team member and set dependencies. For instance, if a deal can't move forward until a contract is signed, ClickUp makes that relationship very clear. It also allows for much more collaboration. You can chat directly inside the deal task, tag your designer, and attach the latest proposal all in one thread. It's less of a dedicated sales tool and more of a collaborative hub for closing business. To keep the momentum going, let's talk about the visual side of your sales process. Capsule offers a beautiful, out-of-the-box Kanban board that most sales teams will find instantly familiar. You can drag and drop deals between stages like qualified, proposal sent, and negotiation. It's very snappy and doesn't require any setup. If you're a visual person who just wants to see where your money's sitting, Capsule's pipeline is one of the cleanest in the game. It's designed to be used by anyone, even if they've never touched a CRM before, which makes onboarding new hires a breeze. In contrast, ClickUp gives you a blank canvas. You have to define your own statuses, like new lead or contract out, to build your pipeline. While this takes a few extra minutes to set up, it gives you way more flexibility. You can have 10 different pipelines for 10 different products, and you can view them as a board, a list, or even a calendar to see when deals are expected to close. ClickUp also offers specific CRM templates to help you get started, so you're not staring at a white screen. It's perfect for the business owner who has a unique sales process that doesn't fit into a standard, one-size-fits-all pipeline. Following that, we need to see how these tools save you time, and this is where the differences really show. Capsule uses something they call tracks. These are essentially sets of tasks that trigger when you reach a certain milestone. For example, if you move a deal to 1, Capsule can automatically generate a checklist of onboarding tasks, like send welcome email and issue invoice. It's simple, reliable, and keeps you from forgetting the small stuff. It's not artificial intelligence level automation, but for a small business, it's often exactly what's needed to keep the wheels turning without overcomplicating things. ClickUp, however, is an absolute beast when it comes to automation. They have a no-code automation builder that lets you create if-then recipes for almost anything. You can set it up so that when a lead fills out a form on your website, they're automatically added to ClickUp, assigned to a sales rep, and sent a confirmation email. You can even use ClickUp Brain, their inbuilt AI, to summarize deal updates or write follow-up emails for you. If your goal is to automate as much of your workflow as humanly possible, ClickUp is going to be your best friend. It's much more powerful than Capsule in this department, though it does take a bit more time to learn the ropes. Transitioning over to the data side of things, Capsule provides a very solid set of standard reports. You get a dashboard that shows your pipeline forecast, conversion rates, and win-loss ratios. It's very easy to read and tells you exactly what you need to know to run your weekly sales meeting. You won't find highly complex custom reporting engines here, but the data is accurate and presented clearly. For most small businesses, knowing your sales by milestone or leads by source is plenty, and Capsule delivers that without making you hunt for it. Looking at ClickUp, the approach is through dashboards that you build using widgets. You can pull in data from any of your lists to see things like team workload, revenue by month, or even time tracked on specific deals. It's incredibly deep. The downside is that it doesn't come ready-made like Capsule. You have to spend some time configuring your dashboard to get the insights you want. But once it's set up, the level of visibility you have into your entire business operations, not just sales, is pretty much unmatched. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your focus. If you want a dedicated, easy-to-use CRM that your team can master in 20 minutes, Capsule is the winner. It's built for relationship-first businesses. But if you want a platform that manages your projects, your team, and your sales all in one place with powerful automation, go with ClickUp. Click the link in the description to start your free trial today. Thanks for watching.